Hello guys, welcome to ArchiTools. In this video we will be discussing about how we can make staircases in Revit, how we can make different types of staircases like this one, a wooden staircase with middle support, and we'll also talk about the multi-story staircases, and at last we'll discuss about the desired shape what we can make of our staircase. So let's start by making a new opening a new project. First of all, before jumping into making a staircase, we need to make sure that our levels had been set correctly to our requirement. Since I have to show you multi-story staircase also, I'll add a few levels to that. Four levels would be fine. And if I go to architecture tab and I would find a staircase option, here it's provided assembled staircase with maximum riser and tread. This is a standard being followed in the Revit. If you want to change this standard, you can also duplicate it and provide your desired maximum riser height and tread depth, and accordingly you can, if you place the desired number of staircases, it will calculate and provide you the riser height. If your riser height goes above your maximum riser provided on top, it will show you a warning sign. If you want, you can ignore that and keep making your staircase anyway. So in my case, I want to make 20 risers, 20 number of steps with the tread depth 10 inches. So if I start building with that, you would find that the number of risers are being told below. I'll make it in two parts. You can also modify your tread depths from your flight width from here, and also your stair will can be decreased or increased according to your requirement. Next is, if I open the 3D of it, if in case you wanted to flip this part to the other side, you can do so by clicking over here. And if you want to add railings to that, you can provide firstly the type of handrail you want and the position, whether you want to provide on treads or on the stringers which are on the sideways. I want to provide it on treads, and I'll click on OK. Next is, if you talk about making this type of staircase with wooden treads and middle supports, let's make this kind of staircase. I'll go to stair and edit type. I will duplicate and make a new staircase with naming it middle support. I will click on the run type near the construction tab, and I will also duplicate this since it's a component under the component. I have to change this also. If I don't do this, my previous tread and risers type will also change. So in order to keep it separate, I have to duplicate this part also. I'll name it wooden. Click on OK. Now I'll provide a tread material to that. Cherry would be fine. And since I don't want risers, I only want tread, I'll untick it and click on OK. I also want supports on the middle. So I'll go to the supports tab and I would find a middle support. I'll click on that. Here I can change my support type also and assign number of supports. In my case I want one support. I'll click on OK. Now if I start making the staircase, if I go to 3D to show you, let's bring on the color. Now so you can see your wooden type staircase has been made. You can also modify other things like that, as in case if you don't want stringers in this, you can click on that and go to edit type, and on the stringers, on the supports option, you can change it to none, right support, and in left support also change it to none. Click on OK. You would find that stringers has also been avoided here. So in this way you can change your type of staircase. Also, if you want monolithic staircase, it's pure concrete staircase. If you tick on that, this type of staircase you would be getting. Now next, let's talk about the multi-story staircases. If I make a staircase over here, click on OK, and I draw a section of this. Oh, this is a horrible section. I'll try one more time. So what if I want this staircase on every level till the level 4? So I will click on this and click on select levels, select these levels and click on tick mark. As you can see, you have received a multi-story staircase. This is beneficial in providing fire staircases, and in this sense it's a single unit named as multi-story stairs. Next is how we can create a staircase according to a desired shape. If I go to level 1 and I pick my staircase, here we would find a sketch option over here, create sketch. I'll go to that. First it will be asking for a boundary. I'll make a boundary of it. If I have the imprint below, it's better. Even if I don't have, I can make according to my requirement. So I have offsetted it, and I would require to chamfer my edges. 2.6 would be fine. Okay, my boundary has been made. Make sure that you haven't placed your boundary line on this part, because this end will be for the risers, so you don't want to close this part. Next we have to create the risers. I'll click on that and start making my risers. So as you are making your risers, you might find that it is showing how many risers are remaining. I'll click on this select option and I'll provide an offset of 10 inch, and I'll start making risers. Now if you notice this, it's coming in green color. This is because your when you change your option, your command, your boundary option gets highlighted. I want to make it in risers, so I have to delete it and click again on the riser and start providing it offset. Since I want this command in the offset option. Oops, I have highlighted. I have double made this. I'll try one more time. If you click on the, now again I have to change. Yeah, that's a bit tricky over here. I have to again select this riser and then my selection tool, 10 inches. If you click on the outside part, you would find that it's going on into that offset direction. If you click on below side, it will offset below side. So you need, if you are a beginner, you need to make sure you have done it like that. Five are still remaining. Click at. Okay, my risers have been made. I'll place my boundary line till the end. Okay, now at last I have to provide my stair path. So I'll click on here from the starting and I will go to till the end. Click on tick. If I show you in the 3D, your staircase has been made according to your shape. So in this way you can make any shape which you require to make, and also you can provide railing to it. If you need to, if you are having any problem related to placement of the railings, or you want to make adjustments in the railing, you can check the link below on the video of how we can make railings for our staircases as well as parapets. Now at the last, I want to show you about this zigzag line over here, how we can, if you don't want this zigzag line, how we can change that. If you go on the edit type, you would find a graphics tab over here. Its cut mark type is single zigzag. If I go to 3 dots over here and cut mark, I'll duplicate it to single line and cut mark symbol to none. If you want double line, you can also provide it by clicking over here. I want single line for now and I press on OK. Now as you can see, your zigzag line has been changed. Also, if in case your up sign has been deleted and you are in a state that you cannot undo your change, so you can provide your up legend by going into annotate and click this part over here, stair path, and click your staircase. So by this you can get your up sign in your Revit file. So this is all related to the staircase, guys. Let me know if you have any further questions related to that. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and That's all for now. Have a good day.